What's up, family? My name is Charlie, and I'm starting a new channel. It's CPD Fitness. Some of you may know me from Glory Gains Aesthetics. I was part of them with my cousin, the Moisenator, and Chino. And I'm stepping out and doing something for myself now, and I'm opening a new channel just about my life, about who I am, and you guys get to know me a little better. It's kind of hard sometimes because I'm a full-time worker. I'm a husband, a father, and it's kind of hard to stay up with a channel, but I'm gonna try my best to get some videos out there. I'll probably start once a week putting a channel, and then twice, and we'll see how it goes. But I want you guys to check out my life and who I am and how I get it done regardless of the hectic schedule. Also being a drummer at church, a lot of that stuff, I do a lot, but I want you guys to get to know a little bit about me. So CPD Fitness, it just stands for 3 different things, right? CPD are my initials, but it also stands for 3 things. C is for commitment. If you're not committed, you ain't gonna get it done. So you have to get up every morning regardless if you had a hard night or anything's gone bad in your life, and you gotta do it. And P is for purpose. Everybody has a purpose in their life. You could be going through hard things in your life and through struggles, but you got to believe in yourself, and you got to break through that, and you got to keep fighting. And D is for desire. Everyone has a desire in their heart. Everyone has something that they want to achieve. It's innate. It's created in us, and we have to be able to step forth and get it done. So that's what CPD Fitness is all about. It's about breaking through the obstacles, and that's what I want to do. I was born and raised in a tough environment, so I'm trying to just show that we can still break through that. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how I get it done. Sometimes I go to the gym, and there's a lot of pictures that I've put up of myself at the gym, but sometimes I don't have the time. Like I said, I'm a very busy guy. I'm a dad and everything, so it's a big mess here. This is my daughter's stuff, and the second one is almost born, so I'm going to have 2 kids running around here. But if you look at this corner right here, it might be really small, but this is a lot of the stuff that I use to get it done. I mean, there are no excuses. I mean, I got the Bowflexes going up to 90 pounds. I got all the weights going up here, and the straight bars, the easy curl bars. I got the pull-up bar. I got the mat, the bench. I got stuff, that I can use to still make gains. No excuses. So guys, it's tough for some people to get it done. I get it, but when you're really dedicated, you go beyond that. You go beyond that. You work through it. This is my daughter right here, and she's part of my life. So I have to give her time, but at the same time, if I want to last for her, I have to take care of myself. So she's one of my motivations, and that's why I'm doing it. So I hope you guys know and understand that this is for real, and I hope this channel, you guys subscribe, support, and I appreciate it. So we're going to keep it going, CPD Fitness. You're going to see me a lot with Moisenator, and probably also with Chino in some of the videos, but I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you, and peace out.